We'll guide you through how to use CapCut on your Mac. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open the CapCut application on your Mac. If you haven't installed it yet, head over to the official CapCut website and download the latest version for Mac. Once installed and opened, you'll be greeted with the main interface. To start a new project, click on the New Project button. This will open up the editing workspace. You can import media files by clicking on the Import button in the Media Library section. Choose the videos, images, and audio you want to use in your project. After importing, simply drag and drop your files onto the timeline to start editing. You can trim clips by selecting them in the timeline and dragging the edges to your desired length. To add transitions between clips, click on the Transitions tab above the timeline and drag your chosen transition effect between two clips. Customize your video further by clicking on the Text tab to add titles or captions. Choose a style and type your text, then drag it to the timeline to position it where you want it. For adding filters or effects, click on the Effects tab and browse through the options. Drag an effect onto a clip in the timeline to apply it. If you want to adjust the audio levels, select your audio track in the timeline, then click on the audio option to adjust the volume or add fade effects. Once you're happy with your edits, click on the Export button located in the top right corner. Choose your desired resolution and format, then hit Export to save your video to your Mac. And there you have it, a quick guide to editing videos using CapCut on your Mac. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.